In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to onboard your social media marketing agency clients in the quickest way possible. The idea is to reduce the turnaround time when it comes to data sharing. So instead of normally taking weeks and months, this process is only going to take your clients between 30 to 45 minutes. And instead of taking a lot of attention away from you and building your own business, it's only going to take between 30 minutes to an hour of your time and your team's time. Let's get into it. So I run everything from Clickfunnels, and I know last year I recommended Wix just because of the price difference. However, I found myself time and time again coming back to Clickfunnels for the simple interface and just the various kind of features that are designed to be salesy as opposed to any of the other fluff out there. Clickfunnels is going to be the software that I'm going to recommend in this video, and also with $97 a month, it's really not going to break the bank for you. And once you scale to that 5 to 10K to 20K a month mark, especially if you want to scale through paid ads and things like that, you're really going to need Clickfunnels anyways. So I just recommend you get it sooner rather than later and familiarize yourself with the platform. Spending that $97 a month is literally going to save you hours and hours of your time. And if you price your time at, let's say $100 an hour, then you're going to make your money back in literally no time. Anyways, to start building your onboarding funnel, just click the link down below and you're gonna get my funnel personally imported into your Clickfunnels account. Now, if you don't have a Clickfunnels account, that's totally fine. Just click the link, create an account, and it will automatically be imported into your new account as well. There's actually a few custom elements that I've created using CSS on the onboarding funnel to make things kind of look a bit more aesthetic. So if you don't know CSS code, I really recommend you just import my funnel to save yourself the time. However, I mean, if you do know CSS to a pretty competent level, then feel free to create your own, but it's just gonna save you a ton of time. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna jump into a screen share and I'm gonna show you the exact things you'll need to change in order to make this onboarding funnel yours, add your own branding and differentiate your funnel from my funnel. So let's hop into it. So now I'm gonna demo exactly how to add this funnel into your own Clickfunnels account and also the exact elements you want to change in order to make this funnel your own and add your own branding to it, etc. So overall, from a bird's eye perspective, this is what the funnel looks like. So step one is basically just like an indoctrination video where you're setting expectations for this client to agency relationship. What can they actually expect from your service, etc. So this is actually typically between kind of 11 to half an hour long in terms of the video length. I kind of go into quite a lot of detail here, so feel free to look at these slides that I've created and reverse engineer them. The opening slide is a default template that I got from Canva, so you can just find that and copy and paste that. Next step is essentially going to be the invoicing and contract. So essentially this is a reminder video for them to pay the invoice and also sign the contract. The invoice should have already been paid on your second closing call, and the contract should be signed a few days after. So generally speaking, this step is more of like a fallback. So yeah, feel free to again watch the video through and reverse engineer accordingly. Step number 3 is getting your agency access to the client ad accounts or whatever software accounts you need created. So just follow a very similar structure. I mean, this video shows how to do so for Facebook ad agencies, but if you're an email marketing agency, you would just do things like Klaviyo, Omnisend, whatever. If you're a local business agency, it might be things like Clickfunnels to build out the landing page, etc. So once you do this, step number 4 is to get them to fill out a form telling you about their audience. I'm actually going to go ahead and remove the link to my own form because I want you to come up with your own form. However, just a quick kind of scroll around, this is generally speaking what we want from our clients. So there's 2 parts to this, but I can't actually show you the second part just because I'd have to fill out this form. When it comes to step number 5, it's just real quick, book in their onboarding call. So this is a strategy call. So I mentioned earlier, this is going to take between 30 minutes to an hour of your time. So just add the scheduler here. You want to embed your own Calendly remember. So once you click finish, it's going to take you to the final step, and it's just essentially like a real quick thank you message for your clients. So once that's all done, squared away, you want to click publish, go to publishing settings, and you want to make sure the URLs are all done, and you want to connect it to a domain. So this is really important, right? You need to connect it to your own custom domain, and there you go, that's it. In terms of which elements you actually need to customize, there's something called a favicon. So if you go to step number 1, so a favicon is, you see the little icon right here on the tab. This is something that you want to be customizing, and to customize that, you want to go to the step, and then you want to go to, oh, not the step, sorry. You want to go to the publishing settings, and you want to go to regular settings. I haven't done this in a while, and you want to copy and paste a favicon URL. To create a favicon, you just Google favicon generator, and you should be able to find one, and just upload your logo into it, and it'll turn it into a favicon for you. Of course, you also want to change the logo of the funnel. So obviously you wouldn't want to keep Plethora, as that's my agency right there. So you want to go into each step and then just modify this image. And then again, you want to, if you have different steps, for example, you would just change this to step 1, step 2, etc. And then for the video, you want to embed a YouTube video in here. So here you want to go to video type, YouTube, and then you would just copy and paste the YouTube URL for this step of the onboarding funnel, hit save, and you'll be able to see the video all fine. Another thing you want to customize is your color scheme. Just because I use green and black doesn't mean you should. You should tailor it to your custom agency kind of colors. Change the background if it's relevant. I really recommend you change everything from an aesthetic perspective, just to differentiate my onboarding funnel from your own agencies. So yeah, that's kind of it. Back to the talking head. Even if you're not offering Facebook ads, you can tailor this funnel to pretty much any other service offering out there. For example, I've tailored this exact funnel for my email marketing services. I don't really sell Facebook ads as a front-end offer anymore, which is why I'm able to share this funnel completely free of charge to you guys. So if you want that funnel, I've built link down below. It'll import it automatically into your Clickfunnels account. And if you're an agency owner struggling to sign that first client, or maybe you're struggling to scale to that 10K mark, but you already have a few clients, feel free to book in a call with me down below. I'll see if I can help. If I can't, then I'll tell you exactly what you're missing and what you need to do to get to the next stage. If I can help you, I'll make you an offer.